Is he your cat?
Yes. Alex let me. Alex not. I said, how did you know him?
Alex what?
Alex run the baby.
Are you taking care of him?
Baby. Alex run the baby. I got you the baby. And this. How about here? How about here, little fella? That fella.
Little fella?
That is fella. Fella, just teeth.
Are you being his friend?
I got you. I got you. I should got you. I got you. Oh, that fell down.
Oh, I'll fix it.
Fix it.
I will.
Get it up.
Okay. Is that better?
Is that up?
Yes.
Oh, thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, honey.
You're welcome, Mom.
You're welcome, Deegan. So, how old is Alex?
2.
2? Same as you?
2 like me.
Oh.
I got this. And then I gave me this.
She
I got
did.
stickers. 2 stickers. I want a sticker? Okay, I can use sticker.
Alex might want one.
Want one? I can use one.
Thank you. Bye.